Did you know it's possible to write a blog post today that drives leads to your business for the next 5 years? And those leads could be people who are ready to convert and buy a property. It's completely possible. So what we talk about when we talk about creating a content strategy is creating content that will convert, because building content that doesn't convert is a waste of time. And so what you're going to look for are keyword opportunities. You're going to do some keyword research, and you're going to look for opportunities where there's some search volume but not a lot of competition, and it's a query that ties really well to your business. Could be things about how to buy a cottage, how to buy a home in the mountains, how to buy a second home, how to buy an Airbnb, things like that that are evergreen. They're always going to work. They're going to last for 3 to 5 years, maybe even longer. The best performing blog posts on my site are 4 to 5 years old. So look for those opportunities and get started today.